Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a video that has been requested quite a few times, and it was kind of on my radar of things I should do, but I was a bit like, is anyone interested? Is it overdone? And it's a review of my Prada re-edition handbag, and yeah, so someone requested it and I actually promised that I was going to do it, and then I completely forgot and got sidetracked, so I'm here, I'm doing it, okay? And if there's any other handbags that you want to, or shoes that you want to see me review, then do let me know, or you want to see ways to wear of. I did my handbag and shoe collection, which I will link up here down below, so you can go and watch those. And then if there's anything that you're like thinking of buying, or you just want to know a bit more about, then do let me know. I'll also link in the description below some great dupes for this, because there are some. So maybe you're just watching it because you like my channel, which, why thank you, but maybe not everyone can afford a bag like this, so I will link alternatives that are more affordable on the high street, because there are a ton. I'm also not sure how easy to get hold of this bag is. It was actually a gift, but I know that my husband got it off of the website, the Prada website, and that was at Christmas, so I think it was in the peak of the like trend then, so maybe it is easier to get hold of now, I'm not sure, but anyway. So yeah, I'll link it below, and I'll link alternatives, and if it's sold out online, then I'll link secondhand versions. All of the links to everything will be down below. So this is the bag. So I'm going to talk you through it first, and then I'll give you a little story about how I came to get it. Then I will show you what fits inside, and we'll do some little outfits. So we're going to do a full comprehensive review. So this is the bag. I'm going to come closer. So this is the beige colour. There is a style that is that has a chain or a leather strap, and there's also one that has got the chain and the crossbody strap with a little pouch on. This is not that. I definitely didn't want that one. My sister's got that one and it looks amazing on her, but I really liked this kind of, it almost reminds me of a seatbelt strap. I just really liked the style of this one, and this was definitely the one that I wanted, so I wasn't settling for anything less, because I actually nearly bought myself this. It was a complete surprise when he got me it. I sound like a brat then. I wasn't settling for anything less, but I basically was going to buy it myself. So it's the re-edition 2000. You can take this off if you want to. I was thinking of taking that off just because it's kind of annoying and in the way, and I don't know if it adds anything to the bag. Then it's got like a little leather pulley zip. I actually hate this nylon material, like nails, scratching it, literally. It's like someone scratching their nails on a chalkboard to me, so. And then the lining's really cute. It's just like Prada lined. It doesn't have any pockets inside. It's literally just one big thing. You can fit quite a bit in there. Obviously you don't want to change the shape of it, but it is a bag that you kind of need to put some stuff in there to make it have a shape and not be completely flat, and like a piece of paper. But yeah, I just love this colour. I wear a lot of neutrals. I don't wear a ton of black, and I've got my Chanel black bag, so I don't really need a black bag. Not that I need any bags, but yeah, I like neutral tones, so it kind of goes perfectly with my wardrobe. So as I said before, I kind of went over this story in my handbag video, but in case you didn't see that, I was going to buy this bag. I'd been lusting over it for ages. I saw it on one of my favourite Instagrammers, Disco Daydream, and I just assumed that it was a vintage one, because I hadn't really seen them around. I hadn't seen the one with the little pouch on. It hadn't become like a thing, so I don't know if she was like given it by the brand, or she was just first, or maybe hers genuinely was vintage. I never really saw her wear it again though, so maybe it was like a loan, I don't know. But anyway, that aside, I had seen that and I saved that, and I kept going back to that picture, and I was just in love with it. And then me and my sister went to Prague, and it actually was cheaper there. So I think it was 400 and something there, and I think it might have been 500 in the UK. I'm not sure, because as I said, it was a gift and I've never really looked into it. But I know it's around the £400–500 mark. So yeah, it was about £50 cheaper in Prague, and I was thinking of buying it. My sister bought a Dior necklace, and whenever she buys something expensive, it like spurs me on, and this was going to be cheaper than her necklace, so I was like, I mean, come on, it's basically a bargain. But then we had a sister argument, as I'm sure you guys will know if you are sisters and when you travel together. Arguments happen, and I was like, you are ruining new bag day. I'm not buying a new handbag. with this vibe going around. So I was like, I'm not buying a new bag. I refuse to buy a bag if I'm in a bad mood because it's bad vibes. So I was like, I'm not buying the bag. And it just like, I just didn't want to buy something expensive when I wasn't in a good mood, because it should be a fun, exciting moment. And also it would just always remind me of the day that I argued with my sister, so I definitely didn't want to get it. So yeah, I didn't get it, and I was still thinking about it. I still really liked it, but as you guys will probably know if you watch my handbag video, I like to attach memories to bags. So unless it's something that I'm literally dying for, I like to kind of get things when big moments happen, or if I'm traveling, just to kind of mark the occasion. It's just my way of justifying buying a handbag that's really expensive, basically. So I didn't get it, but I was still umming and ahhing. And then on Christmas Day, Jack got me this for Christmas, and it was just the biggest shock to me, because I mean, you guys are probably sick of hearing about the neck pillow now, but that's what he got me for my birthday last year, was the neck pillow. So I'm not used to getting handbags for Christmas and birthdays at all. It's not something that I'm accustomed to, and I definitely wasn't expecting it when I opened up the parcel. So it was a very generous and thoughtful gift, and very unexpected, and I just feel very lucky to have it as a gift. So yeah, that's how I came to get the bag. And as I said, he ordered it online, and I don't think he had any issues getting it. So maybe you can just buy it through the website. But yes, anyway, I divulge. So this is the bag, and I've got my, I mean, we're on lockdown at the moment, so I don't really have a handbag, but I have got this Karl Lagerfeld bag that is basically full of all my junk. I just have it in the kitchen on the side, and every time Jack's like, can you clean up all your mess everywhere? I'm like, yeah, sure, just shove it all in here. So this is like my junk in my trunk. So I thought I'd show you what fits inside. So first of all, let me get my phone, because that is number one thing that I would have in there. Though to be fair, it's normally in my hand, but we'll supplement it for the camera that is normally in there. So obviously that fits in very easily. I mean, there's just so much space in this bag, honestly. It looks like such a small bag, but you can fit quite a lot in here. Then we've got my card holder, which is actually empty apart from one bank card, because I just have too much in there and it doesn't stay in. Then we can pop a little lip balm in. This is a La Mer one. I actually only found this the other day. This is not, I don't know why I'm going on about. I am too much of a jibber jabber, but we were sorting through a cupboard, and I found a box that I had never opened from when we moved, and it had like my lip balm, a half-used toner, some face wash, all stuff that I'd like just completely forgot existed. So that goes in there. Then if you put a lip balm in, you also want a lipstick. So that all fits in very comfortably. Then we've got some hand cream, pop that in, that fits in quite easily. Got some sunglasses. Those fit in super easily, and actually I quite like it when the bag is open and it kind of hangs like that. But let me show you that you can easily zip it up. I mean, that's got a phone, lipstick, lip balm, sunglasses, card holder in it. That is like easily, you could fit like a plug and a cable in there. You could fit a battery pack, like a small one. I could probably fit my big one in there. So yeah, as you can see, you can fit all of the essentials and more in, and it just fits so nicely on your shoulder. So I'm going to show you some different ways to wear it now. I'm not going to talk through the actual outfit because I'm going to film my cutaways tomorrow, guys. And last time I did this, I forgot which outfits I talked about and then wore different outfits, and I did myself dirty because I just look like an idiot. So the first outfit, you can wear it with smart outfits. It looks so cute with like a little smart look for work, as like a work bag, and like it just makes any outfit look super 90s and chic. The second outfit, you could wear it for like a party look or like a cute summery look, and it looks really nice. Third, just like jeans and a t-shirt, just kind of adds a little bit of something, but it's also quite neutral, so it doesn't like take away from the outfit. It's not like rah, look at me, but it just kind of blends nicely and adds a bit of something. But yeah, it just kind of goes with everything basically, so I wanted to show you that. But I mean, it's a neutral bag. They also have it in so many different colours. Like Lauren said to me the other day, would you still buy that bag now? I was like, yeah, I would get it in every colour. Like they've got it in pale pastel pink and it's so cute, and they've got it in pastel blue and it's so cute, and they had it in like yellow, and they've got it in like ruched and yellow. They've got it in so many different styles, guys, and they are all beautiful. So yeah, and if you really want a nylon one, oh, I forgot to mention about the price. So this is between £400 and £500. My sister's got the one with the pouch on, as I said, and that one, I think it's like £800, or maybe it's even more. But when we were in Bicester Village, we saw some bags, nylon bags, similar but different, same but different, like quilted ones. Really good bargains, but they were around the same price as this. And I said to the guy, you do realise that I've got that bag, the re-edition, and it's cheaper than that? And he said yes, because this, apparently this bag is counted as a pouch or an accessory, not as a handbag, so it's cheaper. But I was like, it's in the handbag section online. I don't know if he was just like blagging because he wanted that one to look like it wasn't too expensive, but that's what he said to me, and he worked at Prada. But he might have been a lying salesperson, who knows. But yeah, so that is everything about the bag. If you guys have got any questions, do let me know. I haven't really worn it in bad weather, if I'm honest, so I can't really talk about wear and tear. I've not had it super long, and as you guys know, I've got way too many handbags, so my bags don't really get battered, which is how I like it, because I like the fact that I've got different ones for different outfits, and then none of them really get like really badly used and damaged because they're kind of rotated. But yes, so I haven't got like a full-on wear and tear, but if you want me to do a review in like a year's time or something, let me know, though I don't know if they'll still be on sale then, because it is like a capsule collection. Anyway, I feel like I have just talked a mile a minute. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this little review. If you want to see a review on any of my other bags or shoes or jewelry or anything, just let me know on anything really, and I will be happy to oblige. If you have any more questions on the bag or are thinking about getting it and want my opinion on something, then feel free to ask away. You can ask in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. I always see my YouTube comments the most because I don't get many, so it's a good place to ask. But also on Instagram, if you want to contact me on Instagram, try and DM me, because my comments, I reply to as many as I can, but sometimes they can get lost. So yeah, DM me on Instagram or comment below and I will let you know if you have any questions. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing new videos pretty much daily now, so yeah, I would love to have you here on my channel with me. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell if you do, because as I said before, I'm pretty tardy when it comes to uploading times. I mean, normally when it was like two or three times a week, I was really good at doing it at the same time, but because I've like started doing it daily, I literally just get up, do whatever, have a cup of tea, and then when I sit down on my laptop, whatever time that is, I upload the video. So it's usually in the morning, but it just depends on the timing. So hit the notifications bell and then you'll get a little alert when I post. And I will, if you haven't already, make sure you like the video too. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have this bag, if you like this bag, if you're thinking of getting it, or if you think it's a bit of a waste of money. Do you like the 90s trend? I would love to hear. Leave me a little emoji of a little bag if you got to the end, and I will see you next time.